Hello everyone, this is your Changemaker Sonal. Thanks for listening to my videos every single day. It truly means the absolute world to me. Do hit the subscribe button so that you can view these videos every single day as you'll get a notification. At the same time, you can share this with everyone you truly love, value, and cherish so that they could also empower themselves to have healthier and long term relationships. In today's video, I'm going to be speaking about another person who I interviewed in the last month of August 2025. She was just sharing her story with me, and I wanted to help her out because I felt that she is in need of something. So I happened to ask her, are you comfortable to share about your life? And she said yes. So this is a story of a girl who was living in a small town, and opposite house she fell in love with somebody, and she confessed the love to that person. Before she confessed, he had confessed, and they both, it was a mutual confession of love, and they got into a relationship. And at that time they also wanted to do college in 1 or 2 years, so they both decided to do college in some other state which is like little far away from their house. And they both went to that college, and they used to go together to the college every single day. After 2 years of being in the college, this guy suddenly started playing some games, online games, with another person, and sending all the emojis which he would send this girlfriend of his. She happened to know all these things, and that girl also had messaged him that he's not talking to her like a friend, and it's more beyond that. And she asked him like, why are you not spending much time with me, and lot of questions like this. And all that she got to know from him is he is telling that he needs some time. He wants her to also study and him to also study, and he was just trying to basically ignore her for something. But she was so bonded with him that whatever he would say, she would do. He said that you should not wash your hands in the washing area in college, because in the corridor guys will look at you, as she's really pretty, and she really looks very adorable as well. He said that you should not wear dresses which are western, you should wear only Indian wear with the dupatta, and she followed that. She said that he said that you should not have any male or female friends, like just talk to them, hi hello, don't be close to them, and she followed that as well. He told her that you should let me know whatever you're doing, to whom you're speaking, where you're going, every detail of your life, and she did that. So it was basically a toxic relationship, and she knew that it is toxic, but because she gave her heart to him, and she was also every relationship you get not only emotionally connected, sometimes even physically connected. It was very hard for her. Also, he had given her a ring to keep, and he had taken care of her when she was little low in her life, when she was not doing well with her health, she was living far away from her parents. He would have supported her emotionally, and she felt that he's doing so much for me, so I should be there for him. Later she realized that he was actually cheating on her. He started liking this another girl, and he was already in a relationship with this another girl, but he never told this girlfriend of his. Slowly she had come down to Chennai, and she started working here, and now she's successful in her career. Wherever she goes, she's at the top. And how did all these things happen? Because from her initial years itself, she was always academic topper. She was always somebody who was a quick learner and believed in independence, leadership. She's a elder daughter in the family, so she wanted to financially support her family as well. Because her academic score was well, and because she was independent from the beginning, she was able to somehow surpass this betrayal which her boyfriend had given to her, surpass the toxicity which her boyfriend had given to her. In the name of possessiveness and protectiveness, men usually start controlling women and dominating women and telling them what they should do. If their own father is somebody who's not doing that to them, then who you are as a boyfriend or a husband to do that? So even the father nowadays started having boundaries with their daughters. So why a boyfriend and a husband is doing so much? So, but she had given him so much of liberty that he had betrayed her and gone with somebody else. So the fault is on both the sides, that she had trusted him even though she knew that he's going wrong, and he had dominated and controlled her because she was following everything whatever he said, as like he's the god of her life. So if you are in a pattern like this, the suggestion I gave her is, I made her throw the ring. Because he had moved on, I made her delete all the messages, delete all the photos, and I made her write 3 words which comes to her mind before she moves on. Because already it's been more than a year they are not in touch, and he's really happy without her, but she isn't. The moment she does all these things which I told her to do, the next few days after I saw her, she's smiling, she's glowing, she's happy, she's performing really well at her work. All that she needed was a closure, and the closure did not come from that person. The closure came through the coach. So it's nothing wrong to seek a coach. Try to seek a coach, and if you'd like my help, do email me on sonalbegani16@gmail.com. I'll be able to help you out. I have a track record of 500 stories of people who I know and have helped, and those people were struggling a lot in their relationships, and all of them are doing just great now. So do subscribe and do share it with everyone that you love, value, and cherish. This is a Changemaker Sonal.